Welcome to KnowHow. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the powerful combination of the average and filter function in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your data analysis skill, this video will guide you step by step on how to use these functions together to streamline your data processing. So let's get started and make your data work for you.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the problem, and here you can see that in this data we have different groups that belongs to the three category of A, B and C, and the data is given for different months, and we wanted to calculate the average of all the data that belong to A category and also to calculate the average for B as well as C category. To get the desired range, we can use the filter function. For example, if I write equal filter bracket start, first I have to select the array, then I will select the category. After this I will write equal, and for example if I select the first category A, I will close this bracket and press enter. So here you can see that the data for A category is fetched here in this section. So we can use this filter function to get the desired range of data. And now if we combine this filter function with average, we can easily calculate the average. So for example here in this cell, I will write equal average bracket start, and now I will use the filter function to get the data. Filter bracket start, and in the same way I will select the array, then I will select the categories, and after this I will write equal and then select the group A and close this bracket for the filter function and close another bracket for the average function and then press enter. So now we have calculated the average of all these values. We have combined the average and filter function to do this. We can also get the average of other categories just merely dragging it down. So you can do this very easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to KnowHow for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or topic that you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Happy excelling and see you in the next video.